Welcome to the UPSC Surgery with SSJ. What is fiat money and what is legal tender? ये दो कॉन्सेप्ट आज समझते हैं. सो व्हाट इज फिएट मनी? फिएट मनी बनने के लिए दो कंडीशन फुलफिल होनी चाहिए. फर्स्ट कंडीशन, इट मस्ट बी अ करेंसी इन फिजिकल फॉर्म, डिजिटल फॉर्म और क्रिप्टो. सेकेंड कंडीशन, it must be signed by government, king or central bank. King, for example, in United Kingdom. If both first and second condition fulfilled, then only we called it as a fiat money. Okay? Then what is legal tender? आप सुनते रहते होंगे करंट अफेयर्स में लीगल टेंडर लीगल टेंडर. व्हाट इज लीगल टेंडर? लीगल टेंडर फुलफिल होने के लिए भी दो कंडीशन फुलफिल होनी जरूरी है. So first condition, it must be a fiat money. Okay, it must be fiat money. Second condition, it must be legally valid for all debts and transaction throughout the country. इसका मतलब क्या है कि जितने भी कंट्री में ट्रांजेक्शन हो रहे हैं या फिर जितने भी कर्ज लिए जा रहे हैं उसमें लीगली वैलिड होना चाहिए. मतलब आप बैंक वाले के पास गए और आपने 500 रुपये का नोट दिया तो वो मना नहीं कर सकता, लीगली वैलिड है. Okay, if both 1 and 2, first and second condition fulfilled, then only it is legal tender. Example से better समझ आएगा. For example, Indian rupee, it is in physical form. Okay, it is signed by government. Yes, RBI governor. So it is fiat money. First and second condition fulfilled. If it is fiat money and Indian rupee is valid in India, so it is legal tender. Now example of Bitcoin, it is in physical or digital form. Yes, but it is not signed by Indian government. Okay, if it is not signed by Indian government, then it is not fiat money in India, so it is not legal tender in India. Again, if you want to take example, you can take example of check which we use in the bank. It is in physical form. Okay, but it is not signed by government, so it is not a fiat money, so it is not a legal tender.